7 Best 6.5-Inch Car Speakers for Clear Sound. Want crystal clear sound every time you hit the road? This video is for you. We're reviewing the 7 Best 6.5-Inch Car Speakers for Clear Sound. Expect improved clarity, detailed audio, and balanced sound output. We tested popular models to find the true performers. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best 6.5-inch car speakers for clear sound. Let's get started. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate Prime R165X3. If your goal is clear sound without stress, this speaker makes it easy. The Rockford Fosgate Prime R165X3 speaker delivers crisp vocals and smooth highs right away. Music feels clean, even at higher volume levels. Its three-way design helps separate sound layers well. You hear vocals, instruments, and beats without overlap. That's a big win for daily driving. Bass is present but controlled. It won't shake your car, but it stays tight and clean. That balance helps keep voices clear. Installation is also simple, even for beginners. This speaker works great with stock stereos. You don't need extra gear to enjoy better sound. It's a quick upgrade with real results. Verdict: if you want the best 6.5-inch car speakers for clear sound on a budget, this is a smart pick. A great speaker for clean audio lovers who want easy value.
Number 2. Boss Audio Systems CH-6530 Chaos Series. If you want an affordable upgrade with decent clarity, this one is worth a look. The Boss CH-6530 Chaos Series delivers loud sound with clear highs for the price. It's built for simple, everyday listening. The three-way design helps spread sound across highs, mids, and lows. That means vocals come through better than basic factory speakers. Highs can feel a bit sharp at very high volume. Still, at normal levels, the sound stays clear and enjoyable. Bass is light but present. It adds some depth without muddying vocals. Build quality is decent for the cost. It won't feel premium, but it gets the job done. Installation is also quick and easy. This speaker suits drivers who want a louder sound without spending much. It's not perfect, but it improves stock systems. Verdict: a solid car speaker for budget buyers who want louder, clearer sound. Best for casual listeners who value quality.
Number 3. Pioneer A-Series TSA-1681F. If you want a clear upgrade that still feels smooth and balanced, this car speaker stands out. The Pioneer TSA-1681F car speaker delivers clean vocals and soft highs that don't hurt your ears. Music sounds natural, even on longer drives. Its four-way design helps separate sound better than basic speakers. You hear more detail in vocals and instruments. That makes a real difference with mixed music. The bass is tighter here than in cheaper options. It adds depth without taking over the sound. That balance keeps everything clear and easy to enjoy. Even at higher volume, distortion stays low. It also comes with installation adapters, which save time. That's helpful if you're upgrading from factory speakers. Build quality feels solid too. This speaker works well with many music styles. From vocals to pop, it stays clean and smooth. Verdict: a great choice if you want the best 6.5-inch car speakers for clear sound with balanced bass. Perfect for everyday listening.
Number 4. Kenwood KFC-1666R. If you want simple and clean sound, this speaker does the job well. The Kenwood KFC-1666R speaker focuses on clear vocals and steady performance. It's a big step up from most factory speakers. The two-way design keeps things straightforward. You get clean mids and soft highs without extra noise. That helps reduce distortion during daily use. Bass is light but controlled. It supports the music instead of overpowering it. That's great for podcasts, vocals, and soft tracks. You won't get a heavy punch, but you will get clarity. Build quality feels solid for the price. The cloth woofer adds a smooth touch to the sound. Installation is quick and simple, even for beginners. This speaker is a good fit for drivers who want better sound without spending much. Verdict: the best car speaker for clean, simple audio on a budget. Great choice for daily driving and voice clarity.
Number 5. JBL GTO 629 Car Speaker. If clear sound is your top goal, this speaker really stands out. The JBL GTO 629 car speaker delivers crisp highs and rich mids that feel clean and detailed. You hear vocals clearly, even in busy tracks.
It uses a carbon-injected +1 woofer cone. That design helps move more air, which improves bass depth. Still, the bass stays tight and controlled. High frequencies harsh. That makes long drives more enjoyable. Even at higher volume, distortion stays no. It also handles more power, so it pairs well with an amp. Build quality feels strong and reliable. Installation is simple with most car setups. It's a great upgrade if you want better clarity without losing bass. Verdict: one of the best 6.5-inch tar speakers for clear sound and detail. Perfect for drivers who want premium audio without going too far in price.
Number 6. Sounds BIO-6-5-COX. If you care about clean and steady sound, this speaker is a strong option. The Sounds BIO-6-5-COX car speaker delivers clear mids and smooth highs without harsh edges. It feels balanced right from the first listen. Power handling is solid, especially if you plan to add an amp later. Even with a stock system, it performs well. Bass is tight and controlled over power vocals, which helps keep the sound clear. That makes it great for long drives and mixed playlists. You can listen for hours without fatigue. Build quality is another strong point. It feels durable and well made. Installation is also simple with most car doors. This speaker works well for drivers who want clean audio with good reliability. Verdict: a great car speaker pick for balanced, clear sound with long-term durability. Ideal for daily drivers who value comfort and clean audio.
Number 7. WDiYA 1000-watt peak 6.5-inch car speakers. If you like loud music with clear output, this one is worth checking out. The WDiYA 6.5 speakers focus on strong volume with decent clarity. They also come with a bold, modern look. These speakers use carbon fiber cones, which help improve sound response. Highs sound sharp and clear at normal levels. At very high volume, they can feel a bit aggressive. Bass is stronger here than many others in this range. It adds punch without turning muddy. That helps keep vocals clear while still giving energy to your music. They work well with most factory systems. You can also pair them with an amp for better results. Installation is simple and beginner-friendly. Verdict: a great car speaker choice for loud, punchy sound with decent clarity. Best speaker for drivers who enjoy strong volume and bold audio.
Which 6.5-inch car speakers for clear sound should you buy? So, which one should you pick? It depends on what you value most in your daily drive. If your main goal is pure clarity and detail, go with the JBL GTO629. It delivers clean vocals and smooth highs. Music sounds rich and easy to enjoy for long hours. On a tighter budget, the Rockford Fosgate R165X3 is a smart choice. It gives balanced sound without costing much. You get clear audio without any hassle. If you want a mix of clarity and bass, the Pioneer TS-A1681F hits a nice middle ground. It sounds smooth and full without losing detail. For simple daily use, the Kenwood KFC-1666R works well. It keeps vocals clear and sounds easy to enjoy. And if you like louder music with more punch, the WDiYA speakers are a fun option.